Don't panic. It's only the fog detonators. They're warning us that we're coming to some signals. Samson and Bradford were on their way to the quarry, but nobody had warned them about the detonators.
I'm sure this isn't the way to the Blue Mountain Quarry. You must have taken a wrong turn in the fog.
And then there was trouble.
Yeah! What was that? Yeah! Fireworks! Fireworks!
No, Samson, those aren't fireworks. They're fog detonators! Samson, stop screaming! They're not fireworks! Get a grip! And he's not listening.
Fireworks! Fireworks!
Excuse me, what are you playing at? This isn't a shunting yard!
Finally.
Sorry, Bradford. Don't know where we are now. I didn't mean to get lost, but, well, I really do not like fireworks.
They weren't fireworks. I've been trying to tell you. Those bangs were fog detonators to warn you about signals in the fog.
Oh.
Oh, indeed. Now we're lost in the fog in the middle of nowhere.
But what do we do now?
Nothing we can do, boyo, except sit here and wait for the fog to lift.
Sorry.
Oh, fog hasn't lifted.
No, it hasn't. And now it's dark, too.
What was that?
Fireworks?
I thought you said they were detonators!
Not on the tracks. Up there, in the sky.
No, don't want to look. Make them go away.
See, Samson, they're not scary. In fact, they look beautiful. Lovely colours and that. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, suppose it is quite pretty.
And not just pretty, my lad. Useful, too.
Useful?
That must be the Earl's firework display. If we follow the fireworks to the castle, then we'll know where we are and we can find our way home.
Okay, but I don't want to get too close to those fireworks.
Of course not, but we can't stay here all night. Step to it now. Follow those whizzes and bangs. It's working, Samson. The fireworks are helping us find our way.
Look, Bradford, look! It's the castle! We're here!
So what do you think of the fireworks then, Samson?
Well, they're not so bad after all, and most helpful. But I do wish they weren't so loud.
Well done, Samson. Section 38 of the Railway Rulebook says engines who face their fears are very, very useful.